Hi, it's Courtney. Today I'm showing you how to achieve this everyday soft glam makeup look using the Beauty Babe Book of Magic palette. To start, brush through your brows with a clear brow gel to prep them for pomade. Then, take your favourite eyebrow pomade, I'm using Revolution Pro in dark brown, and lightly fill in your brow shape. Just to let you know, at the end of next month I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Brush through your brows with a spoolie and then using a tinted brow gel, I'm using a Primark one, go over the tail end of your brows to create a fuller appearance. To carve out the shape of your brows, apply a small amount of concealer to your face, and using a flat brush, remove any excess brow products to create a neat shape. The concealer I'm using is Essence Cosmetics Camouflage Concealer. Use your damp beauty sponge to blend out the concealer before it sets. Using the same product, carve the underneath side of your brows and bring the concealer onto your lid as a base for your eyeshadows. Take the shade Manifest and pack this into your outer corner and blend it up into your crease. Then take the shade Amulet and run this over the edge of Manifest and out into the outer V. Next, take the shade Vanish to set the brow bone area and neaten the underneath of the eyeshadows. Then go back and forth between the shades Manifest and Amulet to deepen the outer corner and enhance the pigmentation. To create a cut crease, take your concealer onto a flat brush and stamp down a neat line onto the inner half of your lid, and then blend with a brush to create a base for shimmery eyeshadows. Using a clean finger, pick up the shade Stardust and apply this to the middle of the lid. To fill in the inner half of the cut crease, take the shade Alchemy onto a flat brush and neatly pack it on. Go back once again into the shade Amulet and blend this over the edge of the entire look to neaten up the edges. Take a peach toned highlighter and highlight your brow bone. Now that one eye is done, I'm going to go off camera and come back once the other one is done. To start the base, take MAC Prep and Prime and apply this all over your face. Take your foundation and apply this evenly across your face and then blend this out using a damp beauty sponge. Apply your concealer over areas that need a little extra coverage, for example underneath the eyes and any blemishes. And once again, blend this out with your damp beauty sponge. Next, you will need to set your face using a loose setting powder. I find that less is more when it comes to setting powder, and this helps to avoid creasing and dryness. To define the shape of your face, take your bronzer and apply this to your cheekbones, forehead and nose. The next step is to take your blush and re-add warmth to your face by applying this to your nose, cheeks, chin and forehead. Set your face with a setting spray. I'm using the Bario Badescu spray, then using a peach toned highlighter, highlight the high points of your face. Now the base is completed, we're now moving on to the lower lid eyeshadow. Apply the shade Manifest below the lash line on the outer half and then blend this out with the shade Amulet. Use the shade Vanish to neaten up the edges of the look and then mirror the top lid by applying the shadows Stardust and Alchemy to your lower lid. To finish the eyeshadow look, take the Beauty Bay Liquid Crystal Eyeshadow in Moonstone and highlight the inner corner of your eyes. Next, curl your lashes and apply a generous coat of mascara to your top and bottom lashes. For the lips, take a warm-toned nude lip liner and outline the shape of your lips. Then apply a rose-toned satin lipstick to your lips. So that was my everyday soft glam makeup tutorial. Like the video and comment down below if you're going to recreate this look. As it is Valentine's Day next month, I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day content, so subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!